Good morning. So I thought I'd shoot one more quick video on chapter 22 to help you guys move along and complete the material so you get on your independent projects. For those of you who don't know, if you go to our Canvas page, and if you go to Files, and if you go to Modules for GS Students, there is actually already a Sonic Ranger module that's been created. Okay, so you can download it. You can see that I've already done it. So in my PC, that's fallen into downloads. And what I'm going to do right now is show you quickly how you can set this up and test it and get it working. So here I've got a new sketch. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go add a file. And in my case, that file I'm going to add is going to be in Downloads. Right there. Alright, so the first thing you have to do, let me drag this a little bit more down. Well, that's alright. So what we need is we need to take all this material here and put it into our main sketch. So I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it into my main sketch. And I'm going to replace setup. Okay, because it has a new setup that has the pin directions. Now, what I'm going to do is I have to set this for mine, and I have my trigger pin, okay, the one on this side, okay, so the second pin in on this side is my trigger pin. It's hooked to pin 7. So I'm going to change that to a 7. And my echo pin is hooked to pin 8. Okay, so that would be the second one in from this side. All right, remember, you're looking at the back of this thing. So now I've got that all set up. What I'm going to do now is, all I want to do is give it a quick test, make sure it's working. And Chris has already written a nice little sonic distance test right there. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it right here in my loop. Now, I have to change these arguments, okay? So for the variable here, all right, I need to replace it with my trig pin. So my trig pin is hooked to pin 7. I could type a 7 in there, but I'm going to just use the variable instead. And then my echo is the one that I've declared up here as echo pin 1. So I'm going to put that right there. And this is supposed to be the distance, that the maximum, so it doesn't time out on you. All right. And you can see from here, I'm actually on my desk. It's not a lot of space here. There's probably 30, maybe. I'm going to put 50. I'm going to put 50 centimeters as my maximum range. So anything outside of that, it's just gonna give up on. And now I'm going to throw a delay in here of, I don't know, let's say 500. And let's save this. I'll just throw it into here. We're going to call this UltraSonic test. We'll give it a 2. Save it. And then to verify it, as soon as it gets done here, there we go. Verify. Let me pause it while it verifies. For those of you who were quick, might have realized that I left out this semicolon there. So let's load it up and see if it works. I should pause it for this maybe. Okay, so it's done. Let's see if it's working. And there we go. And you can see as I move my hand closer and closer, oh, it says the object is near, still giving us some range. Move it further and further back. Okay. So there you go. That's the fastest and easiest way to get this set up. Now you can add your motion module or whatever else you want and get ready to do some fun robotics. So I will see you guys again soon.